Alright, so if you have a Docker um, install Magento, um, most of the time you go with, for example, in my case is okay, and then if you try to gain access to the admin side, most cases people would assume it would be just admin, and it is. They are the case usually. But sometimes if you install different Docker images, for example, in this case, um, just for demo purpose, if you are using Action Magento 2 latest version, and you will see that it's not the case. When you go into admin, you get a 404 error. So how do you find out what admin URL that is for, in this case? So you would go to, you will go into the Docker image. In this case, you type in containers, space, go into bash command, and then you go into app folder, etc folder, and then you'll see env.php file, and then you go into env.php file. You see right here immediately backend front name. Okay, and this is where you can get the information here. This is the front end URL for that admin portal, and then you just copy and paste, and you would get the admin login. Oops. Forget the password. Okay, there you go, and then you're in. And you say like, hey, I don't want this, um, random string. How do I just put in normal admin? And in this case, you can just go with just remove it, leave it to whatever you want, admin or another custom front name, whatever that is. Okay, in this case, I'm gonna make it simple to admin. Okay, save this, and then you can go back here. You don't have to do any CLI command. You don't have to do like setup, upgrade, anything like that. Just hit the URL that you just set up, update, and then you can just log back in. Simple. I hope this helped. Sometimes people it's hard to figure out where to find this information. All right. Hope this helped, and see you next one.